friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Theta networks. What changes occur in the Theta networks in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours, I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please kindly hit the subscribe button and complete my target subscriber. Now let's see what's the price predictions, what's the price change occur in the Theta network in the previous last 1 hour and the last 2 hours. So first of all, we look the last 1 hour result of Theta network. As you can see here, Theta network jumping upward. As you can see here on the graph, they are jumping upward in the last 1 hour. So that's the last 1 hour price reduction. If we see the changes of Theta network, so the changes is absolutely a positive 0.66% occur in the last 1 hour, and the price of Theta network in the previous last 1 hour is approx 13.06% is the high price. Sorry, 13.06 dollar is the high price of Theta network, as you can see now on the screen. Now that is the live price prediction change occur in the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. Now let's see what's the price change occur in the Theta network in the previous 2 hour. That's the 2 hour result you are watching now. As you can see, the chart analysis still us that after a falling they start jumping. As you can see here, at the last 1 hour they take a jump, and the previous last 1 hour they take a falls, and the last 1 hour they take a jump, as you can see here. So if we see the average change of last 2 hours, so the change is negative 0.34% in the last 2 hour, and the high price of Theta network is approx 13.01 dollar is the high price of Theta network in the previous last 2 hour. Now if we see the currently price of Theta network is about 13.06 per dollar is the high price. Thank you so much for watching this video.